Hi, it's Dr. DRKIMDERAMO from DRKIMD.com, and I'm going to talk to you today about a topic that's pretty hairy and I don't see a lot of people talking about, and that's depression, the powerlessness that can go along with having a situation that you feel like you can't do anything about, whether it's a chronic illness, it's not getting better, there's layers and layers of more and more complexity the more you try to heal, or it's anything else that's causing stress in your life. Maybe it's your loved ones and you feel like you can use mind-body medicine and get to a better place, and then boom, this person comes along and triggers you. Well, one of the things that happens when we encounter powerlessness, it is always an indication that we're ready to step into a higher level of ourselves, a higher version of ourselves, a more expansive, abundant version of our lives. And the first thing that happens when life presents that opportunity is we subconsciously block it. We've made conclusions, we have beliefs, we have judgments. That's not possible. I can't have that. I shouldn't have that. I don't deserve that. And we block things out of our lives, opportunities. We block receiving in ways we may not even see. And what happens when we block receiving like that is the body registers it. The body will feel it, and it feels like we get shut down. It feels contracted. It will feel depressing. You'll feel a sense of despair and powerlessness, like there's nothing you can do. Life's calling you into this higher version of yourself, abundance, expansion, and you've got this conclusion or this belief that guarantees that you stay in contraction. So what do we do when we're presented with powerlessness or despair or depression? Even if it's been like a clinical diagnosis, it's a state of being. It doesn't mean anything necessarily permanent about you. Even your brain, we've seen in science research, your brain can change and create different neurotransmitters and hormones. So even if you have a clinical diagnosis, it's okay, you can make changes. So what do we do in this situation? The first thing is to always remember that it's false, that you are never powerless, that you do have access to your power. And even though subconsciously you're blocked and you're not using it and you can be so frustrated, I don't know what to do, I'm trying everything, that on some level you're not accessing your power that you do in reality have access to. So that's the first piece, is that to notice and experience, okay, I am experiencing powerless. The second piece is to not buy into it. So what powerlessness will have you do is keep spinning your wheels and trying really hard to get a different situation. It will never work. So instead, you come into a different state and you actually allow the experience. So instead of resisting, instead of fighting, instead of trying to fix it, it just puts you into fight or flight mode. You actually agree with it. You agree with yourself. So you find some space of compassion for that powerlessness, for that despair, and you actually turn up the volume on what you're feeling. It is a gift to be able to consciously experience this energy that you may have been living unconsciously for decades in every area of your life. So you can sort of do a little celebration and you go into the energy. You feel how victimized you feel, how powerless you feel, how despairing, how it's unending. And without trying to get out of it, just surrender completely to that experience. No, that's pretty hard to do. And we spend so much of our lives fighting it. So I'm going to invite you to a different experience and just take 3 deep breaths, allowing yourself to fully embody and allow the experience of powerlessness, the experience of depression, the experience of despair. That's the most important piece. There are lots of things you can do to get rid of it and make it better, but it's going to keep coming back until you've allowed yourself to accept and embody that energy. It's just energy that's ready to move. So take a few deep breaths, slow and deepen your breathing, and then bring your awareness to the space around your heart. So you become aware that you're feeling powerless, you turn up the volume and allow it so fully and completely, and then you slow your breathing and breathe your awareness into the space around your heart. Or if you feel it in your body, the space where you feel that powerlessness, that despair, and bring the breath to that area. Your body knows what to do. Your body knows how to move energy. It requires you to become aware of that and to bring your presence, a level of stillness, the opposite of running and fighting. So see how this works for you, and please share this video with people that you know and love, because moving energy, breaking free from powerlessness is something we all could use more of. Sending you my love. This is Dr. Kim Deramo from DRKIMDERAMO. Share your comments here. I want to hear from you how you've maybe experienced despair or powerlessness in your life, and I'm here for support. Be sure you're subscribed at drkimd.com, and I'll see you soon.